are finished. Precautions. Whether in case of a direct away or converse installation, please always install as per following principles. 1. During tapping, it is suggested to hold 1/3 area to the end of mallet. Don't hold the front area. 2. Tapping always begins from far side to the near side of your body. 3. Tapping with too much force is forbidden, and tapping should start only when up hook of one panel is fully positioned into low hook of another panel. When you've finished one row of panels and proceed to a new row, please make sure up hooks and low hooks are completely engaged with each other, and locking function is activated. 4. For big room area, expansion space should be enlarged accordingly from 8 to 10 mm standard, and 2 cm thick baseboard is recommended. This is particularly important for solid wooden flooring. 5. While tapping, always make sure that the two panels are in the same level and in full touch with the ground. 6. If two panels are not in the same level, please put a piece of 2 mm plywood under the joint area, or spade the concrete floor to be smooth. While tapping the short edge joint area, we strongly recommend that you use your hand or finger to press the exposed edges of the positioned panels, so that the panels are in full touch with the ground. If the underfloor extremely uneven, first use finger press the low hook of panel 2, then tap the joint area. 7. For any installation, the starting row should be as straight as possible. Please don't continue if your first 2 rows are not straight or the panels not locked in. 8. Do not tap one area consistently. No matter direct away or converse installation, please always remember to tap the area of 20 mm to the up hook joint area. Removing the panels. If there is something wrong with the panels, then you should remove it. Using your left hand to pull up the panels you want to remove. Meantime, tapping the area which close to the joint point of the previous row slightly until the lock loose. Pull up the joint area of 2 panels slightly and lay down. Then the 2 panels detached easily. Maintenance. The elegant tap-and-go flooring needs your good maintenance. 1. Do not install floor in the high moisture place. 2. Do not use the broken plank. 3. Do not use the wet mop. 4. No chemicals materials flood on the flooring. 5. Air humidity more than 80% need pumping. Less than 30% need increase. 6. Open the window at regular intervals when there are no people living. 7. Use mats or rugs in high traffic areas such as hallways. Also, make sure your past nails are trimmed, as these can also scratch your floor. 8. Do not use ammonia, soap, chlorine, bleach, or any abrasive cleaner, which might scratch or react with the flooring finish. 9. Uneven subfloor is must adequately leveled. 10. Do not over-wax wood floor. If the floor dulls, try buffing instead. Avoid wax build under furniture and other light traffic areas. Advantages of Tap&go. 1. Trusted quality material. The distinctive design of Tap&go structure and the installation by the vertical force can only be achieved by high-quality HDF or semi-finished material. Flooring with Tap&go system stands for trusted internal quality, which is not easy verified to common consumers. 2. Reliable, eco-friendly. Tap&go locking system flooring has high requirement on the raw material. The formaldehyde emission rate of the high-quality materials is far below that of normal or low quality, thereby ensuring environmental-friendly floor. Moreover, Tap&go locking system needs no glue, no keel during installation, which truly helps realize the formaldehyde-free living environment. 3. Tangibly stronger lock. 4-side locking. Tap&go's special 4-size locking technology ensures the installed floors hard to dispart after installation. The design of elasticity groove applies the elasticity deformation theory, makes planks truly firmly locked together. 4. More stable flooring. 5. Longer life flooring. Features of special design. Vertical insertion principle and high precise machining of tap-and-go locking system requires high stability standard upon all related data, such as techniques, facilities, and dimension precision. Because that, tap-and-go locking system floorings are more stable and have better adaptability for the environment, will help to preserve your floors in a longer lifetime. 6. Significant cost and labor saving. Comparing with traditional locking system, Tap&go is much easier in installation with less labor, tools and supplementary material. No keel, no nail, no pulling bar. Moreover, Tap&go locking system hardwood, engineered and bamboo flooring can be uninstalled and reused for many times, which significantly saves forest resources and protects environment, showing super economization. 7. Personalized effects achievable. Tap-and-go locking system flooring is much easier and more convenient for installation in rooms of irregular shapes. Following the cater corner installation, consumers could install flooring according to their own preference, which makes the floor's appearance more elegant and beautiful. 8. Easier and faster installation. Most of consumers are hard to get DIY pleasure due to the complicated installation of traditional locking system. Tap-and-go locking technology applies a new installation concept. For example, vertical insertion, making full use of the theory of ergonomic, making installation easier to adapt to the human psychology and physiology. Installation can be finished by only one person independently. All above make complicated installation procedures much simpler. 9. Trouble-free replacement. Where one panel in the middle area is broken, Tap-and-go offers you easier way to replace a new one. After fetching out the broken one by special equipment, take a new panel, then you just need to saw off the short side low hook and install it conversely. The left 3 sides of the hook can also lock the floor with others firmly. Choose Tap-and-go. Choose a better life. This low-carbon patent technology is far beyond an innovative locking system.